Hey you guys, welcome to my house. I'm gonna show you what you're doing today for Power Hour. So we have been talking about friction and what would be good and not so good for friction. So for example, we know that ice would be great for friction because it's slippery and something can keep moving on it and go far. Where if you have something like rubber basketball material, it's gonna not go as far because it's tougher, okay? So what you're gonna make today is a little ramp. It can be little, it can be big. I always usually do this outside with my group. We're not here, so if you wanna do it outside, go and do it outside. But the first thing you need to do is pick your materials. So for me, I'm gonna pick a couple random materials. So I have like a bumpy blanket. I've got some flour. It's kind of like that kind of Axis sand. I've got like this burlap material. And then to build my ramp, you could do it so many ways. A really simple way is I just went and took some of Ivy's books, put them in a stack, and found something hard to put as the ramp part. And the ramp part is actually like very smooth and shiny. So I'm gonna consider that one of my materials. So what you'll do is you'll grab like a toy car. If you don't have a toy car, you could do a ball or something that rolls, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're going to test out what material is going to work the best. So kind of make a hypothesis on like, okay, I think that the smooth is gonna work the best. So I would call this is wood, okay? So what you'll do is you'll put your car or whatever you have on there. Actually, you know what? I'll set you up way over here. So you'll put your car at the top and you're gonna wanna start it at the same spot every time for each material. So I'm starting with the wood, which is just this, and I'm gonna put it down and I'm going to let it go. Because I'm videotaping, it obviously could have gone further. You are going to measure from the bottom of your ramp to where the car stopped to see how far it went, okay? So once you've done that 3 times, then you change it. So for example, maybe we do the bumpy blanket next. Let me set you down. Move my toy car. You can pick whatever materials you want to do. And honestly, this is so much fun to do outside. So if you can get outside and do it out there. Okay, so now I've got my bumpy material. So ask yourself, do you think this one is going to be better or worse for friction? Okay, so set your car in the same spot, let it go. Mine's not even moving, which means it's not got good friction. So maybe I can give it like a little push. It didn't even make it off. So I'm gonna test it again. So round 1, I would put didn't get off ramp. Round 2. Didn't get off ramp. Do you see all the different material changes? Okay? And then the last one I was gonna test is this burlap material. Put it up top. Measure to where it stopped. Do it 3 times, okay? I can't wait to see what materials you chose. If you want to take a picture of your ramp, go ahead and take a picture and send it to me.